I'm back with another LS video. Today we're going to be trying to take the cam surge out of this truck. I can crack the throttle blade, but my throttle position, so I ain't got enough adjustment stuff in it to get it out. So in order, me personally ain't got HB tuners to deal with this issue, I'm going to have to drill the throttle body. So I'm going to do that today, show you how to do that. It might help your issue. Sometimes you're just in an area you can't get HB tuners, and you can't have it tuned, and you can't take it to get it tuned. But usually drilling a hole helps anything with a cam. Let's see. I need to start by removing this. And looks like I'm going to need a toolbox to remove that. Oh joys. Okay, we got the throttle body here. It's pretty simple to do. If it's electronic, you got to be careful. I don't recommend dealing with electronic throttle bodies and actually drilling them, but you can take and get somebody to hold the pedal while it opens up to do this, or you can take it off the car and do it. Probably best to take it off the car. I'm going to do it on the car. Now this bit of metal shavings, people won't say can damage your engine, which that's true, but I'm going to be honest. The amount of metal shavings you're going to get from this, I don't think it's going to do any damage. So we're going to put that back there just as far back as we can, so the metal shavings will land on it, kind of banana it, like a banana. And then we're going to drill. You can do the top or the bottom. I'm going to drill probably right here because it's easier for me to get to. Now the drill bit I'm using is going to be kind of small. I'm going to start small and go up, because it's going to be different from each engine. Basically, you want to add enough air to it that when you start your car, the idling's a tad bit faster. And that will help with the cam surge. So, it don't take much air, and this probably be perfect, but we will see. There we go. Let me take you in for a close look. See, it ain't that much metal. We just need enough to get on this towel here. Now I'm going to take this out, put it back together, and then I'm going to start this, and I'm going to see if this is enough air flow. If you ain't got an RPM gauge, you're going to have to do it by ear. I don't have an RPM gauge, but I know my truck and I know what usually idles. So let's see if this helps it. If you watched any of my videos, you can tell it sounds a lot better. Just by a little bit of air. Just got a healthier idle note. Now the only test we would have to do is me test drive it. Which I don't have a tripod for this to set it up in here. Because this is a new phone. And it probably was set here. I guess I can go test drive it, pull it up and stuff. I got to bolt everything back together, which is simple enough. Don't want to drill too much. Okay, test drive. See how she does. We can get the surge out of it. This will be good. I don't want to drill too much of a hole. That's the thing when drilling these throttle body holes you need to take into account is that you need to test drive if you can. You got to test drive it drill, test drive it drill. It's just like tuning. Let's say I'm lugging right now in 4th gear because this is up 4 speed. At this point, before the drilling, I would have been bucking. I would have been like boom, boom, boom. I'm probably going 25, oh, that goes, about 25 miles per hour in 4th gear. That's kind of lugging it. I'm off the throttle right now and I'm very lugging. So, I probably could go a little bit bigger on the hole. Big on the hole, but I mean, are you really gonna go up a holler at 25 miles per hour in 4th gear lugging it? I don't know. I think I'm fine. How's it doing thug? Pretty good too. How to do in 2nd, because this is a big curve right here. This is acceptable. Oh, the whistle. Wasn't fast enough. I loved it in 3rd. Acceptable. Smooth. And basically what you're doing is you're speeding the idle up by giving it more air. It will work smoother. And getting exhaust is sucking in air. We ain't got enough, so it pulls from the exhaust because the overlap's so big with big cams. Then you get that bucking. Sometimes we do some timing, can fix it, you know, fuel trims and everything, but sometimes just adding more air, you know? Like we just did here. It's a whole different animal. Very usable. I didn't want to drill the hole, but I figured I would. I did it on carburetors and stuff before, and I've seen some forums that they did that. They never did a throttle body. I know it does supposedly help smooth this, and I can vouch for that now with this. It tamed this engine down more drivable. The idle well control probably could have done that too, but I ain't got HP tuners. Get one over by a truck here, that'd be pretty bad. I guess we do a supple. I need to go down a little hollow or something and we do that. And if it don't buck going down this little hollow, I got it fixed. I can live with it. I ain't drilling no bigger hole. I mean, I could, but I think it's fine. Now all we have to do is fix the spark plug issue. sweep in 4th gear because it was bucked. So we see 4th. Bucking a little, but I am doing about 20. Oh yeah, this 110% better, guys. If you're having trouble, I mean, you got a throttle body, it'd be worth just picking one up from a junkyard and putting on your car just to drill it. I mean, you can always TIG it back if you don't like the adjustment. You can always just weld that up. You know, the hole ain't permanent. You don't even have to buy a spare throttle body. Just weld it if you don't like it. But much better. You know this truck, follow my channel, this is night and day different. Like, I know it's night and day different. Like, I'm clipping here. The hole needs to be a tad bit bigger, I think. I might wean it out when I get home. But I think once I do that, it just needs enlarged maybe just a couple millimeters. Nothing hardly at all. Just enough to give it a little bit more oomph. But yeah, this is fine. You can see it tries it. But I'm going maybe 10 miles per hour now. 4th gear. I love it like that. It didn't really buck. No. I go with third smooth. I might not touch it. All we have to touch now is the spot plug. The spot plug wire keeps burning on the header. I've been just putting spot plug wires on it. I know I ain't a temporary fix. I know I ain't a good solution, but it works. Yeah, it just needs a little bit more air. You gotta be careful, don't want to give it too much. But you can always close your throttle blade a little bit more and, you know, adjust your throttle position sensor. Oh, a big ass power line in the highway, hanging down. Phone line or something, we dodged that. What does I say on the throttle? I don't know about it. That truck must pull off, that was behind me. Lugging its guts out, going through this little bitty hollow, just coasting. That's something I couldn't do before. Like I might be doing 10 miles per hour, 15 at tops. I couldn't tell you my speed hand don't work. Just a guesstimate. I'm actually off the gas right now and it's doing fine. It's doing fine. I'm amazed. Yep, car coming. Move this big, roll back over. Whee! He's doing more than 15 miles per hour. Doing about 45 down through here. Now I'm happy. I didn't want to put a cam motor in my record because I'm dealing with this LS that was cammed, but it has plenty of power towing. It just that going through these little narrow hollows when you tow, and that's the main thing here in Kentucky is you see what I'm going. It curves, hills. This is a one-lane highway. You know, it's a little rough when you can't coast in 4th gear. You're always wide open to keep the RPMs up. Even the shifting is smoother. The transition. could tell it was running better already. Oh God. Howdy. I got went off the road up here. There we go. Coast some more. Still trying to buck a little. I mean, you can feel it just a little, but I think a little tiny bit more air would fix that. I mean, it's drivable now. And actually about come to a complete stop in 4th gear now. It's amazing. It's amazing. Sun's bright. Good thing I know it's highway. Still trying to buck a little. Smooths out, add a little bit more air on the throttle. So all it needs is just a little bit more. But I could live with it right here. To drive. I hate little bitty highways like that. People think they own it. Well, I'm happy. I went by and drilled that out just a smidgen, just a millimeter bigger, and pretty much all the sludge is gone now. Just needed more airflow. I'm a believer, you know, a believer in drilling these. Let me know in the comment section below, you know, if this helped you out any, what your experiences with this, and get subscribed. I upload as much as possible, so check the channel out for more LS content too, and more of this square body.